In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Godaddy website. Customizing your site can not only make it visually appealing, but also reflect your brand's unique identity. Whether you're starting a new business or refreshing an existing one, having a vibrant and customized website can significantly impact your online presence. Let's dive into how you can bring your vision to life on Godaddy, one of the most user-friendly web building platforms out there. The whole process is surprisingly simple and fast, so you can expect to have your website glowing with new life in just a matter of minutes. First things first, let's get you logged in. Go to Godaddy's homepage and click on the Sign In button located typically at the top right corner. This will bring up the login window. Here you need to enter your username and password associated with your Godaddy account. Make sure you enter these details correctly to ensure a smooth login process. Once entered, click the Sign In, the T button to access your account dashboard. This is where the magic starts. Now that you're in, it's time to navigate to your website. You should see a list of your products and services on your Godaddy dashboard. Look for the website section. Here's where all your web-related ventures reside. Clicking on this will take you to the control panel specifically for your website. Next, find the Edit Website button. This could be right in front of you, depending on your dashboard layout. Clicking this button will launch the website editor, a place where all your creative ideas will turn into reality. Once the editor is open, you're ready to edit your page. Godaddy's editor is intuitive, giving you a what you see is what you get experience. Everything you need to customize, from text to layout, can be found here. Feel free to tweak and tune until you're delighted with what you see. It's your vision after all, so make it count. But merely editing text and moving things around might not be enough to give your website that distinct look you're after. This is where adding sections comes into play. Sections are like building blocks for your website, each serving a specific purpose, be it showcasing your services, customer testimonials, or contact information. By adding new sections, you can significantly enhance the functionality and aesthetic of your site. Go ahead and explore the different types of sections Godaddy offers. Now, to add a splash of personality, change the style and add images. Your website's style should resonate with your brand. Godaddy allows you to tweak colors, fonts, and more to get that perfect look. Additionally, images play a crucial role in making your site visually appealing. Upload your images or choose from Godaddy's vast library. Remember, the right images can speak volumes about your brand. Before you take the big leap and make your website live, it's essential to preview your work. This step ensures everything looks and functions exactly how you want it to across different devices. Godaddy's preview feature is quite handy for this purpose, allowing you to see your website from a visitor's perspective. Take your time and scrutinize every detail. It's always better to catch any issues now rather than after your site goes live. Finally, once you're confident your website looks perfect, it's time to publish. Click on the Publish button to make your website visible to the world. This step is both exciting and a bit nerve-wracking, but congratulations, you've put in the work and now it's time to show it off. Remember, a website is never really finished. It grows with your business. Don't be afraid to come back and tweak things as your brand evolves. Godaddy makes it easy to update and keep your site fresh, so take advantage of that. There you have it. You've just customized your Godaddy website, making it a better reflection of what your brand stands for. The process is straightforward, but the impact is substantial. Your website is often the first impression potential customers have of your business, so make it count. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial. We went through the basics of customizing your Godaddy website. But remember, the platform offers a lot more features for you to explore. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what works best for your online presence. Good luck! And here's to a fantastic customized website that draws visitors in and keeps them engaged.